Previously on SolarBalls, the planets have all left the solar system. The Earth is currently unconscious, freezing in the Kuiper Belt, with most of the planets searching for it.
Come on, tell me! All this time and effort I put into developing life, it all came from you?
Yes.
Not the answer you were hoping for?
I'm not sure. It sounds like I just inherited your dreams and spent billions of years trying to achieve something that wasn't really mine. What? Why are you laughing?
Because you got it all wrong, bud.
Wanting to create life is bigger than you, or me, or anyone. It's more of a constant in this universe that we can all sense.
How can you be so sure of that?
Why do you need to be sure?
Because life has been my one and only drive since forever! 4.5 billion years and counting! I sometimes wonder why I struggle so much for them. On one hand, I'd do anything for my Earthlings. But on the other hand, they are so ungrateful and take me for granted. And despite everything I've done, I know one day they'll just leave.
Sounds a lot like parenting, right?
Yes, I'm okay, Mom. Yes, I'm wearing a sweater. No, I don't want to talk to my sister. Okay, bye.
You should talk to her.
My sister? Why?
Because she's clearly worried about you.
I know what I'm doing.
Kid, you may not get another chance. With the state of things, every moment counts.
Listen, my sister would worry more if I wanted to speak to her. Me ignoring her is me acting normal.
Ugh, but
I know you only have one kid, but that's what siblings do. We fight, we argue about everything, but in the end, we always have each other's backs.
Give up, Ceres. I will never allow you to harm the Earth.
You must join the chaos, Luna. It's beautiful. Go!
This is over, Ceres.
Everything will be one day. One day!
Get him, Ceres!
Latching onto the Ignis complete. Awaiting further instructions.
Now your objective is to enter the hole to the center of the Earth. You must pilot your ship towards the Earth's core without crashing or making a single mistake. Release the Ignis when you reach the objective so it somehow reactivates the planet or whatever, and get out of there alive. Easy peasy.
You're free to take over if you like.
You're hilarious, Astro Dude. Now go!
Earth? Mars? Anyone? Come on, guys! Time to go home! Ugh, I feel like we're going in circles. Well, the Kuiper Belt is a big circle. I know that! Hey, all those things I said earlier about you and Thea, I didn't mean them. Sure you did. I may not like you, Venus, but I don't like dragging others down. It's not like me, so sorry. I know you cared about her and—
It's fine, Pipsqueak. I mean Mercury. You may be annoying, but you're always honest, which also annoys me, but I'm glad I heard what you thought. It felt liberating, or something. I don't know.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
Guys!
Want to give us a core attack?
No time, dudes. Where's the Earth? I thought he was with you. He's not.
How did we even miss you?
Guys, I know you're searching for the Earth, but he's not the only one missing. What do you mean? Who else is gone?
Everyone.
2, 1, and...
Hey, Earthlings! It's your neighbor planet, Mars. Today, I wanted to thank you for watching our show, and... Can we help with the promo, please? Phobos, Stamos, I don't know if that's such a good... Thank you! Ahem. Our production team is starving! Yes! Starving! No, that's not true. Come on, guys. No need to... So if you want to help them not starve, then consider supporting our show! Pretty please! We have a super cool Patreon where you can get early episodes, learn tons of secrets about the future of the show, and have your name in the credits! This way, your name will outlive you! It'll be your legacy way beyond the cosmic death of the universe! So hurry up before that happens! What? Deimos, you can't say things like... We also have a cute little store! Check it out! So cute! Look at those plushies! I want all of them now! And of course, there's this fun little game our planet likes to play called Solar Cards! You can play with your friends and family while you learn about space! Or, you know, collect them all! Every single one of them! Anyways, that's the promo. Anything you'd like to add, Mars? Nope. Hey, X! I found you, mate! Oh, it's so good to see you, Planet Neptune! Yep, Planet Neptune! Ha! Good to see you, Kalis. Wait, you're actually gonna call me Kalis now? Yeah! You call yourself Kalis, you act like a Kalis, so you must be Kalis. Anyways, Kalis, we should get moving. Kalis. Hold on, mate. Where are we going? To find Planet X? So, you think everything I am feeling towards Earthlings is exactly what they feel when they have kids?
I think so. It's what we feel.
You?
In our final moments, something made sense, Earth. We sensed a future probability of you and Luna being the result of our crash.
Everything became clear after this. The effects of gravity, the influence of entropy, even love. These are important ingredients for life.
Love? Huh. You're crazy.
Hey, don't call your mother crazy.
My listen, have you seen what happens on my surface? All the wars, all the suffering? That's what life is most of the time. Not love, chaos.
Life, like anything else in this universe, came from chaos. It is bound by entropy, so yes, there is a side of life that will always dance around chaos.
But that is not what life is, nor what it wants. What living beings really want is to connect, to be around their loved ones, to be better, to be happy.
It is not always easy, and they will fail, over and over again.
But they will figure it out, one day, like we did.
Tell me about it. You couldn't stand me when we first met.
And after so many hardships, look at everything we achieved.
What's happening?
You've been unconscious for far too long.
Wait, am I out of my orbit?
Probably.
What? Oh, okay, Q&A is over. Can you wake me up?
The bad news is we don't know how.
And the good news?
Good news,
But nothing.
So, no good news. Yup.
Seconds to arrive at your destination.
Please work.
Honey, it's you!
Hey, they fixed the signal.
Yeah, your people were ready for this occasion. The entire planet now uses Rotsar satellites.
I guess the end of the world can be a profitable business opportunity.
Who cares? You're alive! I got so worried sorry after our last...
Listen, honey, I'm about to embark on a dangerous mission.
Are you ever not on a serious mission? Can't they just bring you home?
That's kinda what they're doing.
Huh?
Thanks for watching! Oh, and the next episode is already on Patreon, so watch it a week early by joining. Also, consider checking out our SolarBalls store to get exclusive plushies and solar cards. Bye!